Hi guys, welcome back to Car Trend, your trusted source for exploring the most luxurious and cutting-edge rides. Today, we're diving into the epitome of Japanese elegance and craftsmanship, the 2025 Toyota Century. This flagship luxury sedan has been reimagined for the modern era, blending tradition with innovation like never before. Let's talk about the design. The 2025 Toyota Century stays true to its heritage with a stately and refined presence. The front grille is massive and intricately detailed, exuding sophistication, while the LED headlights are sleek and modern. Its boxy silhouette gives it a regal look, making it a true limousine in every sense. The car sits on exclusive multi-spoke wheels, and every design detail, from the chrome accents to the Century emblem, screams luxury. Under the hood, Toyota takes things up a notch. The 2025 Century is powered by a 5.0-liter V8 hybrid powertrain, delivering a smooth and silent 430 horsepower. This hybrid system not only ensures powerful performance but also prioritizes efficiency and sustainability. The ride quality is unmatched, thanks to adaptive air suspension that absorbs every bump on the road, providing a serene experience for both driver and passengers. Step inside, and you'll enter a world of pure luxury. The interior of the 2025 Century is crafted with the finest materials, including hand-stitched leather, wood accents, and wool-blend seat options for an ultra-premium feel. The rear seats are fully reclining and come with massage functions, footrests, and individual touchscreens for entertainment. Passengers also enjoy a built-in refrigerator and a premium sound system designed to turn every drive into a first-class experience. The tech is equally impressive, with a 12.3-inch touchscreen for the infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a digital instrument cluster for the driver. Advanced driver assistance systems, like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras, ensure safety and peace of mind. Pricing for this ultra-luxury sedan starts at approximately $180,000, making it a true competitor to brands like Rolls-Royce and Bentley. But unlike its rivals, the Century carries a unique charm rooted in Japanese culture and craftsmanship. So, what do you think about the 2025 Toyota Century? Is this the ultimate luxury experience you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Trend for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.